Don't get into the grind of learning everything at once. That will be the first smart step. The next thing would be to get into any kind of a spreadsheet tool like Excel or Google Sheet and play with data. Manipulate rows, manipulate columns, try to plot charts, and essentially do whatever you want to do with data. And when you get bored of it, then move on to a programming language. It could be R or Python. I would personally recommend first try R, then do Python. So what you'll do with R, whatever you have done in the Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel, do the same on R. Now when you have to do that on R, you will need tidyr, dplyr packages, right? So you'll have to use those packages along with R. So you can access a lot of tutorials online on tidyr and dplyr and get an understanding on how to use those packages in R, and in the process you learn both R and data analysis. Next would be to repeat the same thing with Python. In Python, the analogous thing would be NumPy and pandas. Then you have to read probability and statistics, and specifically in probability and statistics, start with the definition, calculation and meaning of probability. Then move on to probability distributions and then hypothesis testing. So this will cover a lot of your basics and advanced ideas on statistics. Then implement the things which you have learned in statistics in Excel, R and Python. If you have reached this stage, this is like 50% of your work done and you are better than most beginner data scientists. Then move on to machine learning algorithms. Now the moment you will move on to machine learning algorithms, you will be bombarded with the jargons like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, reinforcement learning and so on and so forth. But don't get disheartened so easily. Try to understand that what are they trying to convey to you, why they are classifying in this category, and what can you learn quickly. Don't devote a lot of time in understanding everything. Try to learn the bare essentials, what you can grasp quickly. And then when you are learning machine learning, you will also be exposed to deep learning, and there is no limit to it. I am just giving an outline. The moment you get into this rabbit hole, you will automatically explore a lot of things which I have not even told, or even I might not have known about it. So best of luck for that. Now after you reach this stage, which would roughly take anything between 2 to 3 months to 1 year, you are ready to start doing data science projects or data science job. Now get into a data science job or an internship, or if you want to study further and get an advanced degree, do that. Get into a master's program at a reputed data science institute and then you're good to go.